Alright, winding down the final weekend of October 27th, 2024. CN Hayes here along with the ATSF Railfan. 1419 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian National Superior Submain at milepost 353.17. Northbound here, let's check them out on the rolls. We'll lean back and get them. Just as I thought, 341 with the new SD75 IACC of the 8302. It was previously SD75 I5689. Let's check them out. $526. We'll do it for the 341, 91 of the 26. And we'll do it for the SD75 IACC rebuild of the 8302 that was previously SD75 I5689, along with the Tier 4 Credit ES44AC 3869 and the DPU, the Dash 9 2533. This video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. Hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend. See you next time, and I hope we'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.